Two platforms, millions of learners, one big question. Which one really delivers? On the left, Domestika, creative skills for the curious. On the right, LinkedIn Learning, career skills for professionals. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category scores points, and by the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. Okay, before we dive in, let's pull up a mind map. So here's what we're comparing. Course focus, language and accessibility, pricing model, certificates and career value, teaching style and quality, course library and variety, and finally, community and support. Clear path, right? Let's jump into the first category. First up, course focus. So Domestika is basically heaven for anyone who loves creative arts. Think illustration, photography, animation, that sort of thing. Every course is super curated, visually stunning, and taught by legit pros who live and breathe creativity. But don't expect a bunch of business or coding stuff here. It's pretty much all creative. Now, LinkedIn Learning. This one's like the buffet of online learning. Seriously, they've got business, tech, and yes, a bit of creative too. If you want to get promoted at work, learn JavaScript, or try some design, it's all here. But let's be real, their creative stuff isn't as sharp, and the course quality can be hit or miss sometimes. So for creative skills, Domestika absolutely takes the win. Next is language and accessibility. Domestika started as a Spanish-first platform, and while they're ramping up their English catalog, it still skews international. They do offer subtitles and captions in lots of languages, so it's pretty global, but, sometimes you just can't find that perfect course in English. LinkedIn Learning, though, is super worldwide. Tons of courses in English and other languages, easy to access wherever you are. Yeah, some topics are a little slim in French or German or whatever, but overall, it's much more accessible if English is your thing. So, LinkedIn Learning wins this round, hands down. Moving on to pricing model. Okay, here's where Domestika shines. Courses start at just $10, one-time payment, and boom, that's lifetime access. No deadlines, no stress. Seriously, it's kind of wild. Only downside? You gotta pay for each course separately. There's no subscription that unlocks everything. LinkedIn Learning flips that. It's all you can learn for a monthly or yearly fee. So if you want to binge courses, it makes sense. They toss in a free trial, which is sweet. But low-key, that subscription adds up if you're not careful. Plus, you lose access if you stop paying. So yeah, Domestika wins for affordability and zero stress. Oh, and here's something cool you might not know. Domestika actually started in Spain, and now it's the world's largest online creative community. That's wild, right? Certificates in career value. Now, this is where it gets tricky. With Domestika, you get a certificate for every course, and they're kind of fun, with QR codes linking to your project if you want. Looks great in creative portfolios, but honestly, not something most employers recognize. LinkedIn Learning, on the other hand, their certificates actually matter for hiring managers and show up on your LinkedIn profile. Way more career-oriented, though not every course feels super practical. It's all about the range here, but if you care about professional recognition, LinkedIn Learning definitely takes this one. Teaching style and quality time. Domestika's courses are slick. They produce everything in-house, and it shows. Short lesson vids, practical projects, easy to follow, the kind you actually want to finish. There's a little less variety in instructors, but the quality stays high. LinkedIn Learning has more instructors, even some famous faces, and lets you interact a bit. But honestly, the videos aren't as cinematic, and the quality can be all over. So for consistently awesome production, Domestika pulls ahead. Library and variety now. Domestika's all about creative niches. Illustration, crafts, design, with useful basics for software newbies. Great for all skill levels, but if you're looking for business strategy or IT security, not so much. LinkedIn Learning? Oh my gosh, we're talking over 28,000 courses. It's like walking into a superstore. Business, tech, marketing, even some art stuff. Downside, it's broad, but sometimes a little shallow. So for sheer variety and regular updates, LinkedIn Learning wins. Community and support. This is kind of fun. Domestika has a really strong creative vibe with lots of project sharing and people hyping each other up. Support is actually responsive, which is rare these days. They're not as big globally, but the community feels tight-knit. LinkedIn Learning has a massive professional network, big Q&A forums, and ties into all that LinkedIn career stuff. But honestly, if you want artsy feedback and creative collabs, it's kind of lacking. Community winner? Domestika, for sure.
If you're a visual person, check out this radar chart. We've mapped how each platform scored for every category. You can really see where each one spikes or flops.
So, bottom line, if you're all about creative arts, want to learn at your own pace, and like saving money, Domestika is just on another level. But if you're looking to pad your resume, get legit certificates, and tackle pretty much any business or tech topic, LinkedIn Learning is the clear winner. Horses for courses, honestly. Hey, if this helped you decide, go ahead, bookmark this for your next course hunt. You never know when inspiration hits or your boss throws a new project your